Welcome to my channel. This is Radhika. I work in Information Cum Career Counseling Center as an educational counselor. We never misguide anyone nor provide wrong information to students for their career. Today what we are going to see in this presentation is if my NEET score is below 350. So students have many questions within themselves. So the first question will be, what is my probability of getting admission in Karnataka? What if I'm not a domicile of Karnataka? What if I have not studied in Karnataka? Our guidance for MBBS and BDS admission in Karnataka. Counseling conducted by KEA, and their website is kea.kar.nic.in. Karnataka has different types of colleges: seat matrix, private seat, what was the cutoff for last year approximately, and fee structure. These are the things which we are going to see in this presentation. Medical counseling is conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority, that is KEA in Karnataka. So they have been classified into four types, that is government, private university, deemed to be university. There are three types of private colleges. One is KPCF, Karnataka Professional College Foundation, KRLMPCA, Karnataka Religious and Linguistic Minority Professional College Association, AMPCK, Association of Minority Professional College in Karnataka. Different types of colleges in Karnataka which is participating in KEA counseling are 19 government colleges, 28 private colleges, 10 deemed colleges which includes 20% only government, and 3 private university, and rest of the counseling is done by MCC. In this page what we are going to see is about seat matrix, basic seat matrix in types of private colleges in KEA and government, private, NRI and others. So if you come for KPCF, it would be 40% for the government, 40% for the private, 15% for NRI and others it would be 5%. Wherein in AMPCK it's 25% for government, 55% for private, 15% for NRI and 5% for others. KRLMPCA it's 25% for government, 55% for private, 15% for NRI and 5% for others. Wherein in AIMS it's private university, it's 40% for government, 40% for private, 20% for NRI and others not applicable. And in KBNIMS, that's a Muslim minority college, it's a private university wherein they follow 25% for government, 55% for private and 20% for NRI and others not applicable. And SDM, so it's a private university as well wherein 40% for government, 40% for private, 20% for NRI and others not applicable. And if you take St. John's Medical College, wherein 90% is given for Roman Catholic and the remaining 10% is for open candidates. So what is private seat? Students who have studied in Karnataka from 1st standard to 12th standard, or if they have 8 years in Karnataka, if they have stayed for 8 years in Karnataka, they will come under GMP category. And students who have studied from different states, they would come under GMO category, which is applicable for all students. So what is GMO? GMO is General Merit for Open Category. So if you check last year, GMO cutoff was 467 scores approximately, and all India ranking it is 70,994. So what we are going to see in this page is the college name, category, cutoff and allotted seats. For example, if you take AJ Institute of Medical Science, for open category, the cutoff is 19,606 and allotted seats is 14. Wherein in Adi Chunchanagiri Institute of Medical Science, for open category, it's 82,144 is the cutoff rank and allotted seats is 33. Wherein for NEET scores, for example, if you fall under 540 to 569 NEET scores, your ranking would be approximately 19,606. You can just have a look for more colleges as well in this page. Fee structure. For NRI or other category seats in Karnataka, the fee structure would range from 25 lakhs 12,450 to 40 lakhs 12,450 approximately. Wherein for GMO category fee would be 7 to 8 lakhs, GMO private university fee would be 16 lakhs. For example, total package in private colleges like AIMS, it's 25 lakhs for 4.5 years. It would cost you around 1 crore 15 lakhs. In MS Ramaya, the fee structure is 40 lakhs 12,450. For 4.5 years, it would cost you 1 crore 84 lakhs. So what I would suggest you after going through this presentation, what I would suggest you is if you're ready to pay 90 lakhs to 1 crore, then kindly apply for KEA, or else please don't waste your time or money. Thanks for watching. For further details, kindly contact the number given below, and my name is Radhika, as I told you earlier, and my email ID is radhikanirmal.i3c.blr@gmail.com, and followed by with the address, our company's address, and we work from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you.